Foxy. Sammy will be here any moment now. All right, matey.
Hey.
Oh, that's not Sammy.
Yeah.
Hi, matey.
Clearly. Hey. Hey, brother.
Oh, hey, man.
So what are you guys up to?
We're just waiting for my cousin Sammy to come up here.
Okay, I'm just gonna chill. When is Sammy gonna get here? I'm tired of waiting.
I know, he'll be here any second.
I'm right here.
Oh, hey, Sammy.
Hey. Hey,
I
Betty.
missed you.
I miss you too, buddy. I haven't seen you in years.
Me neither.
Who are these people?
These are my friends. This Herox and this is Foxy.
Oh, hey, Herox and Foxy.
Hey, matey.
Oh, hey, we're gonna Fazbear camping. Oh my god, I don't know how to say this, but do you wanna camp with us?
It's just you. You know what? Sure.
I have no friends. But
What's
yeah,
your name?
my name is Charles.
Charles. Hi, Charles. Can I tell you Chucky?
No.
Alright.
Okay, now
Oh.
go. Talk.
Alright, so we're gonna camp down there. So yeah, let's go.
I'm the one in charge, first of all.
What? I let you camp with us. Go fast. I hope you guys are having fun. What are we doing?
Oh, hey, guys. I'm sorry I got knocked down.
Oh my goodness, we don't need any more people. Are you just an instructor?
Okay. Yeah. And I'm just gonna make my voice normal. But, yeah. Who is that? Stop dancing.
Oh, that's Herox. He's my friend.
Oh. Hey, Herox. Hey. It's kind of just awkward right now.
Yeah.
Let's just get to the cut.
Sammy?
Hey, guys, wait up. Me too.
Sonic, are you okay? Herox.
Yeah. We're just tired from running down a hill. But, where's the fire?
We're not gonna have a fire.
This is a ripoff.
No, it isn't. We could go hunting for bears.
Pause. Guys, with the actual...
Yeah. We're gonna go hunting for bears. Oh, there you are, Sammy.
Sorry, I had to go use the bathroom. But, yeah. So, what are we doing again?
Oh, we were just gonna go hunt for bears.
He's a bear.
Whatever.
Alright, guys, we're splitting up. You two together.
Oh yeah, me and Herox will be together.
Back away. Somehow we look related.
My real name is Gay Freddy.
Why do we look related?
No.
Why do we look related?
I don't know.
Jeez, why am I stuttering? Or
I don't know. You're probably played by a 10-year-old.
okay. Really, this is gonna be an end of the video. Sorry if it's not entertaining enough.
No, please
Peace.
don't.
Actually, I'm sorry. Stop moving him, Cordero. Cordero's world.
Oh, hey guys.
Oh yeah, no face reveal.
Oh, why did you do that?
It didn't actually show you. But yeah, subscribe to Cordero's world. I know there's probably no fans, but peace.